In this question, mention consider the following database, the following four schemas. We have a one student schema in which student number, student name and department number. Second one is course, in which course number, course name and department number, and department is department number and department name, and here register is student number and course number is there. Okay. So what is the query, my dear student? क्या mention है इधर? Please check it. Select star from student as a S where not exist. Select course number from course where department number equal to D01. Except select course number from register where S.SSN number equal to S dot number. The number of rows written by the above SQL query is. Okay. So first of all, it is mentioned not exist. It is mentioned not exist. You know what is the concept of not exist? Not exist return true if inner query result empty. Return true if inner query result empty. If inner query result empty, then it will return true. First of all, that is the main point. Second point is except. What is the role of except? You can say except or minus. It will return. क्या रिटर्न करेगा? those are present in, let's suppose, r minus s, r except s. So we will find the value those are present in r but not in s. Okay. Except here you can say minus. For example, a11, a12 except a11. So what is the output? A12. A11, A12 except A12. What is the output? A11. Clear? A11, A12 except A11, A12. What is the output? Empty. Here let us assume A11, A12 except A21, A22, A23. What is the output? A11, A12. तो बच्चा मेरा उद्देश्य क्या है इधर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये जो चीज है इनको डिकोड करना है. एक्सेप्ट not exist when the not exist return true if inner query result empty. Okay. And what is the working of accept? For accept, like a11, a12 accept a11. So what is the output? What is the output, my dear student? Then the output will be a12 because a12 present in r, you can say, not present in s. Here what is the output? A11. Here what is the output? Empty. Here what is the output? A11 and A12. Now easily you are able to solve this question. Okay. So first of all, department number D01. Here you can see what is the department number D01. Department number D01 from the course, select C number. Select C number. So my dear student, what is the department number D01? That C number will be here. That C number is department number D01, C11 and C12. C11 and C12 is the course number. Okay, my dear student. So this query will give C11 and C12. This query will give department number 111 and C12. Now we will apply except, okay, whatever we are. Now what is the above next query? Next query is select C number from register where S dot number equal to S dot SSN number. इन टू से क्या कह रहा है? रजिस्टर टेबल यूज करनी है अपन को एक तो, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टूडेंट टेबल बिकॉज स्टूडेंट टेबल हैविंग एस. So here you can see you have to compare this S01 with S01 with this one. S01, 01, what we are getting? C11 and C12. समझ में आ रहा बच्चों? क्या कह रहा है इधर? प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अपन को वो कोर्स नंबर सेलेक्ट करने हैं रजिस्टर टेबल में से, वो कोर्स नंबर सेलेक्ट करने हैं रजिस्टर टेबल में से जहां स्टूडेंट डॉट नंबर इक्वल टू स्टूडेंट डॉट एस नंबर मैच कर जाए, स्टूडेंट डॉट नंबर इक्वल टू स्टूडेंट डॉट एस नंबर मैच कर जाए। तो फॉर S01 you will pick, you know the execution of exist or not exist, you will pick first S01. For S01 what you are getting, C11 and C12, here you can see. So first of all for S01 what we are getting, 1112 except we are getting 11 and what we are getting, MPT are getting return true, return true will get S01. Now we will check for S02 match with only. Now S0, S0, my dear, S02, can say S02. Here for S02, C11, C12, except what is happening, S02 कहाँ मैच हो रहा है, only C11, return course number C11. So what is the output, my dear, C12, C12. So not return true, not return, non-empty, return false, no value will be selected. Now we will check for student number S0, student number S0. What we have, 11C12 except, and where the S03 you can see, where the S03 is matching, S03 is matching C21, C22, C23, C21 to C23. So what we are getting in output? What we are getting in output, my dear student? We are getting C11, C12. Means you can say non-empty. Return false, nothing will be select. Select nahi hoga. Now we will check for S01, 04. We have C1112 except. Now check it, my dear student, S04. S04 here match with C11 and C12. C11 and C12. So it will give empty. So return true. And what will be selected, my dear student? S04 will be selected. S04 will be selected in the output. Now, in the next equation, S05, C1112 accept. What is the S05 values? Here you can see, my dear, S05 is matched with C11 and C21. C11 and C21. C11 and C21, what is the output? C12, non-empty. So it will give false. So now here you can see how many value you are selecting. You are getting S04 and S01 only. So what is the output of this query? You can say, what is the output? It is asking select star. So you are getting S01 wale old values and S04. S01 from student table S01, this tuple, and S04. So you are getting, my dear student, you are getting S01 James D01 and S04 Jenny D01. You can say S, clear bacha? So here what you are getting, S01 James wale and S04 Jan D01. So it is asking how many number of rows written by. So 2 is the correct answer for this question, my dear student. 2 is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you are getting. It's very simple. First of all, you need to understand the meaning of not exist and accept. Then here you are getting simply C11 and C12. Now execute for each and every student number. S01, S02, S03, S04, S05, and match what is the course number and which one give the MPT. You will select only that tuples. So what is the answer here? When you execute, 2 is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.